Hey YouTube, we are at the Chesapeake Bay KOA. It's also known Cape Charles KOA. It's also known as Sunset Beach KOA. They have 3 different names. It's in Virginia. So anyway, it is like 7:30, 8 o'clock in the morning, and you can see this wonderful view behind me, and you can see all the chairs behind me, including ours, obviously. People that are kind of like staking their claim or trying to reserve stuff. There's nobody out here hardly other than the fishermen and me. And then the occasional person coming out here to lay down chairs. I'm sure this place will be packed in like 2 or 3 hours. So anyway, what are your opinions on leaving, you know, all this stuff out on the beach? And I don't, you know, not so much environment, but the whole, like, you know, a new person comes down and they see the whole beach is full, but there's nobody down here. Like, I mean, is that cool? Is that not cool? What do you think? I mean, we're doing it because everybody else is doing it, but I would love to hear your opinion, and you know, just put it down below if you can. So anyway, I wanted to share with you this excellent view of the KOA and what you get by staying here. It is a little bit expensive compared to, say, like a national park that just happens to be one like right over there, or like the Thousand Trails that I think is like down the road a little bit, but it's not terribly expensive. So anyway, please like and subscribe, and I will see you guys later. Come on. Come on, come this way. I know. Show off for the camera. That's it. Now it's turned off, huh? Back on. Come on. Come on. Hi. doggy. Come on, another doggy.